Welcome to the project demonstration of grid solar PV water pumping using PMDC motor. So this is a PMDC motor which is rated of 24 volts 50 watts with water pumping mechanism attached to this motor, and the whole system powered by this 24 volts 4 amps battery. So here each battery pack consists of 4 volt 1 amp. So these are connected in series, and here also connected in series. So all these two are in parallel, so that we'll get the more power. So this voltage will be given to this PMDC motor through the switch and a relay circuitry. And this is a rechargeable battery. We are going to charge this battery in two ways. One is from the solar panel, another is from the transformer. So coming to the solar panel, so we are using 12 volt 5 watt 12 volt 10 watt solar panel. So the output of the solar panel is 12 volts, which is not sufficient to charge this battery generally. So in order to make the voltage which is up to sufficient to charge this battery, we are making use of our boost converter. So from this boost converter we are going to charge this battery, and the particular task will be achieved by our PIC microcontroller. So here we are going to connect the solar panel. So as we have shown the arrow mark, and there will be one more arrow mark. So those should be face to face, and connect that to 2 pins. And now the connection was made to this motherboard, and after that the output signal given to this MOSFET, and also the voltage measured by the microcontroller, because we need to boost the voltage till which is sufficient to charge a battery. And after this, so this is the boost of voltage, and here we wrote that S or T. If you want to charge this battery from the transformer, this is an alternate source to charge the battery only. In real time we are going to making use of only solar panel. So here is the S, and just connect S to S, and the battery is already connected over here. So now the circuit got fully closed. Solar panel to the microcontroller to boost circuits. At the same time, the boost circuit voltage will be given to the charge circuits as well as to the microcontroller to measure how much of voltage got boosted, and the same voltage status will be displayed on our 16:2 screen. And also, as we discussed, there are 2 switches to control our PMDC motor. So here, coming to this motherboard, we are making use of PIC16F72 microcontroller with this is the crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller, and this one is a program LED indication. This one red color is a power LED indication with 330 ohm resistor for current limiting, and also on off switch will be there. And now we are going to switch on the motor, right? So this is the one more way of charging a battery. Directly just disconnect the S here, and next we need to connect the T to the T transformer. So from here we are going to charge the battery directly, and you can see one LED indication on our charging circuitry. So there we can see that, right, one LED indication is there. So it will take around 8 hours to be fully charged. Okay, and directly we'll demonstrate. Coming to the boost converter, we'll explain you that. So coming to this boost converter, so we are going to give the pulses to this MOSFET. The MOSFET will control the voltage levels inside the inductor and the capacitor. When it is on, the inductor will get discharged. When it is off, it will get charged. And when it is off, so it's getting charging, and when it's on, it will be discharged. And the same way the capacitor, the voltage stored in these two will be given as main output voltage to our charging circuitry. So let us see the demonstration of this PMDC motor, how it is pumping the water directly. Okay, yeah, right. And now, so we have already placed the marks. This is the outlet, and this is the inlet of the water. So directly place this inside this water, and right, so this is the outlet, and just switch on this main motherboard power supply. This is the main motherboard power supply. So when it is done, you can switch on this, and there we can check the vibration from the motor is coming out, and also the water is pumping. Right, we can see this. Okay, so in this way we can achieve the PMDC motor drive based on the boost converter and solar powered. take care of while executing the project. The water may spill over the kit. And coming to this boost converter circuitry, so now the voltage is very low, which is not sufficient to boost up. So now when I place this solar panel under the sunlight, see the voltage getting boost up 9 and it's a 12. So in this manner, if the more voltage coming on the solar panel, the voltage will be boosted up to 22 to 25 volts, which is sufficient to charge the battery. Thank you.